Do you know, guys, today you can buy TikTok views, followers and profile views. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. When you open TikTok today like me, open your video and go on these three dots. Press on it and go here increase views. You will see here choose your goal, more views, more followers, more profile views. Also you can get here sales on get leads. Scroll here down, you will see choose a promotion pack, and this looks cool. For $2 you can actually get 5k views in one day, and for followers up to 6k followers in one day for $2. Also you can buy with TikTok currency with TikTok coins. Tell me guys in comments what you think about this cool update, about these followers and views for low price. If you find this cool, tell me in comments, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I see you in the next video. Bye guys.